Segment AB has endpoints at A, 2, 6, and B at 6, 8. What are the coordinates of the midpoint? Enter your answer as an ordered pair formatted like this, 42, 53. Okay, so going back, if you did not watch question 3's help, from question 3 we gathered that midpoints have to create the same slopes for each segment and that the distances must be the same for each segment. Okay. I love graphs because they help me do this without a formula. I can visually see what I'm doing, and so that's what I'm going to do. So from A to B, I know that they have to create the same slopes for each point. So from A to B, they went up 2 units. Now I'm thinking to myself, okay, midpoint. What's the middle of going up 2 units? Well, that would be going up 1 unit. So I ended up right here would be the vertical midpoint. So now if I were to go horizontally, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Okay, so I'm thinking, what's the middle of 4 units? Well, that'd be 2, so 1, 2. So this is the horizontal midpoint. So now where they land on our segment AB, where they would intersect, that would be our midpoint. And we can double check this by checking to see if we really did in fact create same slopes for each segment. So point M was right here based off of what we did. So we went up, there's up 1 and over 2. So we created that AM had a slope of 1 divided by 2, and now we should check that BM has a slope of 1 divided by 2, which up 1 over 2, it does. So we did create that, so 1 divided by 2. So we did create that midpoint correctly. So the coordinates for point M are 4, 7. 4 on the x-axis, 7 on the y-axis. That's how I would use my knowledge with coordinates, the graphing, and the knowledge that each segment has to have the same slopes.